everyone, it's Jennifer, and it's Halloween Advent time. I'm so excited. I have 2 Halloween Advents. So, the first one is from Paw Ply Guys, and it's right here. So here is the first one, and it is Paw Ply Yarn Company, and MA5. Oh my. I gotta find number 1. Oh dear. They are numbered. Yeah, this is real easy. I should have done this ahead of time, but I didn't. As you can see. Because, well, I wasn't that organized. Well, we'll put that one there. That's not number 1. I found number 1. So, Advent Day 1 for Paw Ply Yarn Co. And here's Day 1. So, let's take a look at it. It's so exciting. It is 20 grams or 45 meters. So, let's check this out. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I like that. Oh, it's so soft and squishy. I love that. That's beautiful. So, there is Day 1. Day 1 is in the box. Oh my. I have to put that over there. Oh my. So, that is my first Advent box. Get that down. And my second Advent box is from Lesley Co. And as we see, Pusheen's going to interrupt me. I'm going to move my boxes out of Pusheen's way, because he's nosy. So, we'll show some of the extras in here. And this is box 1. And I will close it up. Don't worry, I'll be more prepared next time. Sorry. Sorry for the delay. So, in the Lesley Co box, here is the card. Lesley Co Halloween 2022. And we got a coffin. Oh, I love the coffin. And inside the coffin, there is a blood button, and the coolest keychain in it. It is Scuba Natural. I like that. So that's what's in the coffin. I like that. We got some stickers that represent Supernatural, so you can see them all there. They are way cute, way cool, way cool, way cool. And this is box number 1 right here. So here is box number 1, and it is the hook. And I will hold that up. And look at that, it's purple. That one is purple. Oh, it's got some purpley pinks, reds in there. Oh, gorgeous. And it is a G-hook. But look at the gorgeousness in that. Look at that. You see the beautiful colors in there. That's really pretty. Come on. Waiting on the camera to get the colors in there. It's very pretty. I really like that. So that was box 1 for Lather Co. with the goodies, and this is super exciting. So you will see the next one, hopefully, tomorrow. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.